What makes this Japanese shaved ice so unique and incredibly delicious? To find out what are the latest and greatest drinking trends, I visited the biggest show where a celebrity promotes their spirits and you can try the strangest drinks ever. But I went there strictly for work and to learn something new so I can share it with you. I found out that the biggest trend, no, it's not Borg. First, it's an insane choice of ready-to-drink cocktails with creative names and marketing, plant-based straws that look and feel like real plastic. New robot bartenders are now capable of making robo-handcrafted cocktails. Also, non-alcoholic spirits are now bigger than ever. They even had an entire lounge with spirit-free cocktails and beer. But this year, the Japanese food and drinks area was the most exciting place. They advertised their products using attractive outfits, strange show elements, and magic. Well, the biggest line was not for Wagyu beef or authentic sake. The best area was where the Japanese were making this shaved ice creation, kakigori. It was very light and refreshing, with a unique taste and texture. After having about 10 of them, I figured out the recipe and the process behind this simple but iconic street food dessert. So basically, the kakigori is a bowl of shaved ice with usually homemade syrup. It was created to cool down wealthy Japanese over 1,000 years ago. According to Japanese instructions, there was a dramatic kakigori evolution recently. They use a clear ice block that takes longer to produce. They claim that compared to the ice frozen in a regular freezer, a clear block of ice can be shaved thinner and more stably. Also, since clear ice has no off flavors, it enhances the taste of syrups and toppings. And in order to provide delicious shaved ice, it's important to control the temperature of the clear ice. It is difficult to shave ice thinly that has just been taken out of the freezer, and the temperature and texture are not preferable for serving. They recommend raising the temperature until the ice surface is wet. Vendors use a special, very expensive machine that shaves ice into a fluffy, snow-like texture. I could only afford this Lego version of the kakigori machine, so we can try a budget version. It's not the same and it doesn't make a pleasant sound like the original one. The ice is similar to what I tried, but I think their expensive machine makes it a little lighter. It's not bad, but I wanted to find a better option and use the powerful blender. Blended crushed ice works excellent for drinks, but unfortunately, it doesn't make it ready to eat. The thickness of the crushed ice is controlled by adjusting the blade of the ice shaver, so the only way I could adjust it is by using the old way. No, not that, just a $20 sharp Babish machete. It takes more time, but it's very satisfying, and you can enjoy this distinct crunching sound like walking on a freshly fallen snow. With a knife, you can control thickness. In Japan, when it's hot, they shave thicker pieces of ice, and when it's colder, they shave it thinner to make it fluffier. They also offer a variety of flavors like strawberry, melon, matcha, black sesame, and even sweet potato. But we will use high-quality mango syrup, and the secret ingredient they use is sweetened condensed milk mixed with the regular milk, or even better, oat milk. Ice with condensed milk mix. Top it with mango syrup, and we get the best thing that came from Japan since Pokemon. It will work like a cooling blizzard during the summertime. It's perfectly sweet, very light, and instantly melts in the mouth. I can't wait to visit Japan and try more creation like this one, so subscribe and don't miss it.